Hello, awesome people. Welcome to my channel and another episode. And in this episode, I'm gonna talk about the basic of fade in and fade out effect in Kdenlive. Let's get started. Let's open Kdenlive. I'll import some files. Alright, this one. And also alright, let's drag it, and I'm gonna import another video. Let's drag it as well. So now let's see, let's play it. Alright, it looks well. And now for the fade in and fade out effect, the Kdenlive has given it by default. So when you click at the left on the top, you will see this blue color circular button, and just click on it and then drag it for the fade in effect. And for the fade out, you just go to this red circle and just click on it and drag a little bit. That will be fade out. So if you play it, it will start with the black, then it will slowly fade in, and now fade out. And for the another effect, if you just put like this, you just put the composition wipe, then it will have some effect like this, the smoother one. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, and please give a thumbs up, like, share. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.